Hi, my name is Steven, and today I'm going to be talking with you regarding a recent back-end project that I worked on with three fellow software engineers. My specific responsibilities on this project was for designing our database and system design for a reviews microservice. This service would handle reviews data for our restaurant listing website. Since the reviews required a single table, the ultimate decision was to go with a non-relational MongoDB database that would provide faster query times compared to its relational database counterpart. But there were a lot of challenges that went into the decision-making process for the database and how the data was going to be structured. Those challenges included basically just choosing a database that would take into account potential future changes and changes in needs of the website and also the microservices. We had to conduct a lot of research on the different options available and the trade-offs between the different options as far as the different databases, whether it be relational or non-relational, and how they could be utilized depending on their different characteristics. The approach that I took was benchmarking the different databases with a consistent data set in order to determine performance across the different options. One of the first things that stood out to me as far as benchmark that was conducted was the storage size. Basically, MongoDB had a total storage size of 4.28 gigabytes and Postgres had 7.21 gigabytes, meaning that MongoDB would be the better choice as far as storage and the infrastructure needed to support the data sets. Additionally, we looked at the complexity of the databases and the data sets. There was a reduced complexity with MongoDB with the ability to architect review data into a single table without the need to have multiple tables that would require joins and querying across, again, multiple tables. We also looked into the ability to horizontally scale. Knowing that our website would grow and therefore the data set would grow, we needed to look into ways to horizontally scale, and MongoDB was a clear-cut candidate for that. And some of the benefits of horizontally scaling, of course, would require just the additional servers instead of vertically scaling and needing to upgrade a single server. This would also result in little to no downtime. This would be a lot safer and easier and therefore less expensive compared to vertical scaling. Additionally, MongoDB and non-relational databases provided a more flexible schema. If the reviews microservice and its data were to change, which we thought there was a high possibility that there may be additional data fields that we might want to collect as far as reviews in the future. Again, the flexibility of non-relational databases and its schemas yielded a much more beneficial candidate in MongoDB. Additionally, looking at just microservices and ACID compliant, there wasn't a real need for immediate consistency. So although ACID compliance is preferred, the other benefits that came with non-relational databases in MongoDB outweighed the ACID compliance benefits, and therefore we proceeded with MongoDB for the reviews. Thank you.